In this guide, I'll show you how to fix packet loss in Apex Legends on the Xbox Series S or X or Xbox One. So, the first thing I recommend you do is press the X button on your controller, and we're going to go to Home. Then, what you want to do is go to the Settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and from General, you want to scroll over and go to Network Settings. From here, you want to scroll down and test your network speed and statistics. So, if it shows that you're experiencing packet loss, the first thing I recommend you do is press and hold the X button on your controller, and you want to turn off your console. Now, while your console is turned off, you want to unplug the power cable from your home network for 30 to 60 seconds. So, you're essentially resetting your home network as well as your Xbox. Then, once everything's plugged back in, come back and test your network speed and statistics to see if there's any improvement. Now, in addition to that, using a wired connection over Wi Fi is always going to provide a more fast, stable connection, as well as reducing the number of devices using your home network. So, the next thing I recommend you do is go to Advanced Settings, and then scroll down, and you want to go to QoS Tagging Settings. Then, what I recommend you do is try turning on each of these settings one at a time, and then go back and test and see if you're experiencing packet loss. What this essentially does is it tags your packets to prioritize it on your network, so you may reduce packet loss using one of these settings. And if not, you can always turn both of them off. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.